The World Bank on Friday approved $1 billion accelerating India's COVID-19 social protection response program to support the country's efforts for providing social assistance to the poor and vulnerable households severely impacted by the pandemic. The social protection package for India is linked to central government's programs. The World Bank's billion-dollar support for social protection will help India leverage its Prime Minister Garib Kalyan Yojana, said World Bank Country Director, India, Junaid Kamal Ahmad. This takes the total commitment from the World Bank towards emergency COVID-19 response in India to $2 billion. A $1 billion support was announced last month to support India's health sector. The response to the COVID-19 pandemic around the world has required governments around the world to introduce social distancing and lockdowns in unprecedented ways, said Junaid Ahmad, World Bank Country Director in India in a webinar interaction with the media. These measures, intended to contain the spread of the virus have, however, impacted economies and jobs, especially in the informal sector. India, with the world's largest lockdown, has not been an exception to this trend, he said. Of the $1 billion commitment, $550 million will be financed by a credit from the International Development Association, IDA, the World Bank's concessionary lending arm, and $200 million will be a loan from the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, IBRD, with a final maturity of 18.5 years including a grace period of 5 years. The remaining $250 million will be made available after June 30, 2020.